everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joanne, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you what's inside my flight attendant's bag. So if you wanna know what are the things that I bring for flight, just keep on watching. This is my handbag. It is a company provided bag, so it is a must that we have to use it in every flight. This one is from Delcy. I have my crew tag here for verification purposes. Let's start with the first compartment of the bag. As you can see, I have this Paris keychain. First, I have my makeup kit or makeup pouch. So I have my powder, concealer, pangkilay, eyeliners. I have 3. So I have also nasal inhaler. Mahalo sa makeup kit. Blush on, my lipstick. So this one is a travel hack. I learned it from my flying partner before. I'm using this contact lens container to put my sunblock and my BB cream. If you don't want to bring the containers of your sunblock or your foundation, pwede mo siyang ilagay dito. Malaking tipid sa space. So I also have my eye relief. I'm always using this especially for long-haul flights. For example, US flight, ganyan. Sobrang laking tulong. I also have my mini flashlight, perfume. Ganito kaliit lang. Next one, another pouch na naman. Hand cream for dry hands. Super effective nito. Vitamin C, my toothpaste and toothbrush. So next one, we have wipes, skin wipes, and feminine wipes. Panty liner. What else? Tissue. So lahat ng mga essentials na ginagamit ko sa flight andito na sa mahiwagang pouch na to. I also have skin mist from Laneige. Hindi ko alam i-pronounce.
This brand from French, Laneige.
Laneige. So you also need to hydrate your skin, especially for long-haul flights. I also have my sanitizer gel, of course, alcohol, and lumang-luma. Nire-refill ko na lang siya every time na nauubos. Lotion. Yan, nilipat ko lang siya para maliit lang. Nilalagay ko siya sa bulsa ng apron namin para every time na maghuhugas ng kamay, meron tayong lotion. Ito lang meron tayo dito. Daming laman. Breath strips from Watson's. Dental floss. Oil control sheet. Ayan, binili ko lang siya sa Watson's. Siyempre kapag mga oily-oily na yung mga fest natin, pwede na mag-prito, ganyan. Lalo na sa akin. Oily kasi ako. Oily kasi ako sa T-zone. Pressure tissue, pen, and marker. Another inhaler. Sticky notes. A Vicks. So I also have tape. And, of course, candy. Yan, hindi mawawala ang candy sa aking bag. So, hindi mawawala sa aking bag itong Calmo Septin. Yes, it's recommended by my good friend, Glyza. It is a multi-purpose ointment if you have burns, cut, rashes, lahat yan. Super effective talaga. So, let's continue. What else do I have? So, we have extra mask. Sabi naman, the pandemic. And, of course, my snacks. And very Pinoy. Very Pinoy snacks. We have eggnog. My favorite. Parang bata lang, no? Parang pupunta sa field trip, merong snacks. So, meron tayong eggnog, Presto, KitKat, hello! Chocolates. I have this brunch bar. Different chocolates. And patchy. Lagi ako nagdadala ng snacks. Pero kung magutom man ako, tayong ready. Girl Scout yan. And extra, ang tawag dito, ziplock. So, we're done with the first compartment. So, next, yung mas malaking compartment. I have my lock here with code. Sa flight, we have to put our bags in the overhead bin. So, ilalak ko yung bag ko. Meron tayong uniform, which is my vest. After take-off kasi, nagpapalit kami ng vest. And I have my safety glasses. No, for protection. We're always using this, especially now that we have pandemic. Ayan yung itsura niya. Next, I have my coin purse. Every time na may layover, dito ko lang nilalagay yung mga coins ko, yung money. I also have my wallet from Guess. Actually, I'm not bringing this one in my layovers kasi super bulky. Andito yung mga cards ko, IDs, and then family picture, cash, pictures, ayan, and coins. Ayan. Dami ko rin coins dito. Moving on, I have another pouch which contains my ball pens, mga naipon. Iba't ibang klaseng ball pen from different hotels na pinagstayan namin during layover. I also have my extra cords and headsets, earplugs para always ready. What else? I also have this one. Can you guess kung ano to? This is a mirror. Yeah. This mirror is a gift from my good friend, Glyza. Shout out kay Glyza. So, ito, mirror na to, meron pa siyang suklay. Ayan. 2-in-1. So, ang tagal ko lang gamit to. Before pa ako mag-FA, andito na to lagi. Laging dala sa bag. Alam nyo na, ang arte nito kapag mga retouch tayo dyan, ayan, meron tayong malaking salamin. So, I also have this one, clipboard. Kasi, just in case na ma-assign ka sa business class, you need to take the orders of the guest. So, ito, helpful siya sa akin para kapag nag-take order ako, ayan, hawak ko lang. What else? Meron din akong extra gloves. Ayan, extra gloves. Malapit na tayo matapos. Ayan, paubos na. So, dito naman, meron tayong sunglasses. Para laging ready kung maaraw. Ayan. These sunglasses, I just bought it from China. Para kapag kahit maipit siya sa bag, at least hindi naman branded. I also have this eye cover. So, mayroon din times na nagde-deadhead kami. So, I have this. And of course, my AirPods. I also have my candies. This one is a Vicks candy. Itong candy na to super effective for sore throat or kung may ubo ka, kung kumakati na yung lalamunan mo. Ayan, take lang ko na itong candy. I also have this medicines. We have Panadol and Paracetamol, Bioflu. And tapos na tayo sa bigger compartment ng bag. Next natin, this one. I always put my documents here. So, dito ko nilalagay yung passports ko. My old passport and my new passport. Just bought it from Lazada. Super mura lang. Cards, resident ID, my license, medical card. So, every time na nagtitake ng position, sinusulat ko muna lahat ng positions dito. And dahil tita na tayo, alam niyo naman, hindi mawawala ang salon pass. I always bring this one. Kung masakit man yung mga kasukasuan natin. Salon pass to the rescue. I also have a flashlight. It is a must to bring our own flashlight because we cannot operate any flight kapag wala kayong flashlight. It's one of the requirements. I also have my ID here. I'm also bringing my notes, my reviewers. Ayan. So, para hindi ko siya makalimutan kapag may flight. For your information, before we operate a certain flight, we have a briefing. So, in that briefing, our guest director or our cabin manager will ask some questions about safety, aircraft specifications. So, kahit ano na related sa flight. So, meron din tayong sewing kit para ready lang tayo kapag may nalaglag na mga butones sa uniform. Ito, nagamit ko na siya sa flight kasi captain ko noon, naghahanap siya na sewing kit. Ayun, prepared si lola mo. Pinahinga na yung butones na nalaglag sa uniform niya. So, next, ipapakita ko naman what's inside my trolley bag. This is also from Delcy. I have my own crew tag here. So, naglagay lang ako ng red ribbon. Lahat kaming crew, meron itong bag na to. So, para hindi magkalituhan, ayan. Let's start with the first compartment of the bag. Dalawa lang naman yung compartment niya. Isang maliit, isang malaki. I always put my cabin shoes here kasi after flight, papalit din kami ng heels para makapag-work properly. Mas maliit yung heels. Iba rin naman yung walking shoes namin. Mas mataas naman yung heels. Meron din tayong shoe shine. Ito. Shoe shine din. Yun, wala na. Next. So, sa bigger compartment naman, ayan. Dito, merong ayan. Dito nilalagay ko yung mga extra uniform ko. Uniform kasi you'll never know kung matalsikan ka or dumihan yung uniform mo. At least meron kang extra. Also have my extra clothes here. Extra underwear, t-shirt, abaya. Meron din akong medicine kit. Kung nakita nyo, dun sa handbag ko, meron din akong medicine kit dun. Ito, meron. Mas marami. Ito, kompleto. Meron tayong pang-ubos, sipon, lagnat, diarrhea, ano pa ba? Ascorbic acid. I also have my gloves. Meron kasing certain position sa flight, which is the galley position. So, if you are assigned as the galley, ikaw ang responsible to prepare, to heat, and to load all of the food. Para hindi tayo mapaso, ayan, kailangan natin ng gloves. Pang ilang gloves ko na to, actually pang third ko na kasi lagi akong nakakaiwan ng gloves sa aircraft. So, that's it. We're done with our Bagraid. Napakita ko na sa inyo anong laman ng handbag ko and ng trolley. Actually, meron pa kaming isang bag, which is the suitcase. Yun naman ginagamit namin for layover para magkasya yung mga stuff namin. These are the things that I always bring for turnaround flight. Nadadagdagan pa to kapag merong layover. And we're done for today and I hope nag-enjoy ka. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any suggestions na gusto mong gawin ko for my next video, just comment down below. I'll see you on my next video. Bye!